Don't worry about someone calling you names while playing Roblox, because Roblox is taking care of it now. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Roblox has launched a feature powered by AI that can rephrase inappropriate language in real time. The online game has been using AI filters to block out any language that goes against its policy for a while now, but it's been replacing censored chats with a series of hash signs. Roblox admits that seeing too many hash marks can disrupt the conversations and make it hard to follow, so the new feature will now replace words and phrases with what the AI deems as more appropriate substitutes instead. For instance, if a user sends "hurry the F up," the system will replace it with "hurry up." Everyone in the chat will see a note when a message has been rephrased, and the sender will see what language was edited out, whereas users who keep cursing in chat will be penalized for breaking Roblox policy, even if the AI rephrases their messages. Rephrasing has been rolled out to chats between the age check users in similar age groups and in all the languages the game's translation tool supports. Roblox also introduced a mandatory age verification system back in January after reports came out that it has a pedophile problem, with adult players allegedly using the game to groom children. LA County, in a lawsuit filed in February, said Roblox knows its platform makes children easy prey for pedophiles. So now, kids under 13 can no longer use in-game chat outside of certain experiences, while everyone else can chat with players around their age. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.